how I should prepare for surgeries?
Well, first of all, you should know the patient. What is the history with the patient? What has been the indication? Why has this a specific procedure chosen for this patient? This is something where you learn a lot, and I mean, you don't need to know everything about that in the first stage, but this is something maybe that the surgeon at your table will need to know. Maybe he just jumped into the OR, he has to take over the case. You are the servant. You have to give him all the information that he should know. But then you are asked as an assistant to help. Of course, you should know the different steps of the operation, and you should know why this is done this way. But if you are in the first year, I would never ask you to know all the differential diagnosis or what other techniques can be applied. But just simply indicate, okay, this is this structure and this is done this way because of. I wouldn't just break it down only to anatomy, because I think the more you hear also advanced stuff, you will learn about that. You don't have to understand that, but if you are, let me say, repairing a lower limb malposition, and this is really high level, you need to understand the relation of the anatomy and what went wrong. So just to understand the whole procedure from a very basic perspective, I think you don't need to operate that. You don't need to know all the details that the experts are talking about in maybe high-level ISEX conference.